Right now, Bitcoin is falling to the downside, but let's not panic and let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart with clear heads, without any biases, and let's make a technical analysis and maybe see where we can see our next support and resistance levels. So we have to know what happened just in this range, why we broke out basically. And as you can see, we were ranging really nicely. Price went once more to the upside to touch the high of the range the third time. We rejected off of it with really, I would say with more volume than we had here and here. So as you can see, it was very, very fast. We found a little support right here, but as you can see, the market structure hasn't been changed. And what price has done is basically broke out from this range. It broke out from the range, and then as you can see, it went to the upside to retest the low of the range. Very simply, it went to retest this support level. So it was once again support. Once it was broken, it acted as a resistance. A very nice SR flip. As you can see, the whole range support was flipped into resistance. And also we had a daily level right here. It was also flipped into resistance. And after that, we went to the downside even more. So the question is where we are right now. As you can instantly see, we have taken the liquidity at this low, but price isn't really bouncing that much. It is closing above of this wick. But yeah, there is no really big sign of strength as the volume just continues to pick up on these declines on prices. Yeah, so what we can do is take a look at another range. Here we have another range. As we can see, we had our high here and the low is basically lower. We can debate that this is the low of this range, and I would have to agree with you. Yeah, because basically we are finding some support of this low. Yeah, and this could be actually a low of this bigger range. As you can see, also the middle of the channel is acting as a SR flip. As you can see, support, 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 flipped into resistance, flipped into support, flipped into resistance. As you can see, it is acting really nicely. Also right here, a resistance, after which we had a really nice dump to the downside. So there is a possibility to price claim this low of the channel and go back higher. I have my fixed range tool here. And as you can see, we now basically broke out from this range value area. We retested the value area low and we headed to the downside. That thing tells to me that this is not as bullish, and I maybe wouldn't expect much, basically a bounce from here to rotate to high of the range. For now, I would expect maybe a bounce to the again value area low, and if we'll see acceptance into value area of this range, only then I would look for the middle of the range, the point of control, and the high of the range. Yeah, because right now it looks like yeah, we are in a locally speaking, yeah, very nice, very quick big downtrend, as you can see right here. So I am not really aggressive on longs because of current price action. Yeah, because I don't want to trade aggressively, counter trading the trend current. Yeah, so I think this is really important. Also, what I want to show you is the daily level. Another daily level. We can take a look where I took it from. So this is an old one. As you can see right here, we have a daily level, and it acted as a support once, and we are right now basically below it. So what does it mean? This means basically that once we don't flip this level into support, I'm definitely not expecting to rotate to the value area low of this range, because as you can see right now, if we even zoom in, as you can see, we have rejected off of this daily level, made another lower low, and we are on the way to the upside. Of course, if we touch the second time the daily level and we see grinding into this daily level, maybe we can see basically a break of this daily level and we can flip it into support. That would be more bullish. But as you can see, we had a support once, we broke it, we retested it as a resistance. So currently it is our resistance, and that is simply it. Yeah, we can't change the fact that this is a resistance, and I am not looking for upper prices such as value area low of this range, for example this daily level, because we are basically below our first resistance. Yeah, what we can do now, maybe we can see where we could have the support if we would go down lower. So for that, what we can do is zoom out, go to the higher time frame, and what is interesting here, look at this whole rise to the upside. What we can do is pull a fixed range tool from where we started to see if we have more information about it. And as we can see, we have value area low right here. This uptrend was very quick, I would say, and we didn't really build any support levels. But the only one which is interesting for me is honestly this daily level with the value area low. Why it is important for me? Just because if we zoom out even more and pull our retracement from the current high time frame low, $33,000, and pull it to the current high, make it to standard. As we can see right here, we have a 382 level, Fibonacci 382 level. It is basically the retracement from, if we'll get a bounce from it, it will be really bullish if we're looking on the higher time frame. If we are getting a bounce on the 382, that is really bullish. So we've made a higher high. You could say we made basically a higher high. We broke this high and made a new high. So one could say that, okay, we are on the way to make a retracement. And we could go, for example, to the 382. That would be really bullish if we find support at this level. What is the confluence? We have to find some confluence. Well, we have value area low, we have daily. Okay, maybe we have something more. And actually we do. We have some very nice levels in my opinion. What are these? Maybe I need to hide some things, so like that. And if we'll pull a fixed range tool from let's say from where we formed this low, to now. Actually, it's not this pull. Let me find it. Maybe adjust it from this high. And as you can see, if we take it from this high, then we can see that we have a point of control just above, below the value area low and 382. What does it mean? Well, price has to find some liquidity. And where do we have liquidity? I would say that taking this low, we would take some liquidity. It is not the perfect, it is not very nice place to take liquidity, because we want to have a lot of liquidity there. But the point of control is a massive level in my opinion. In this whole range, remember, in this whole range we have point of control here. As you can see, we are it looks like we will have acceptance into this range. If we'll actually not claim the daily level, then it means that we can rotate to the point of control. If we lose it, we can rotate to the value area low. So the point of control is obviously naturally the next key level if we'll go down even lower. So that is what is my confluence basically to this level. It is the zone, I would say. I can say that this is a exact level because you can look at it as a zone, and you should look at it as a zone. I do really think so, because it is a high time frame level. Yeah, we have point of control again, daily 382, value area low. In my opinion, this is a really nice place to look for longs. The only thing which I don't really like is that this move was really fast. So what price can do is also go down really fast. But if this is a bullish market structure, why not? We can see a bounce right here. So that is it for today. I really hope that you like my technical analysis. And if you did, subscribe to my channel, hit that video a like, and I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.